So here is a different angle for you guys. Alright, so hey guys, what's going on? Basically I decided to do a quick video, which is why it's kind of like a vlog style. If you guys enjoy this if you guys enjoy this better than the, normal tripod, recording, basically I have two hands, where this I only have one hand because I'm holding the camera up. Alright, so yeah, vlog style beauty channel. Let me know if you are into that. Alright, so here I wanted to talk about several items, and by several I mean three, that I am pretty much enjoying. The first one is by Blistex Conditioning Lip Serum, which is this baby right here. Alright, if it will kind of focus on that. Alright, and this is pretty much like a chapstick, but not. So basically, if you open up the cap, so I took the cap off, and here is what it looks like. It's a pump. So basically it will like squirt out, a little bit of product. If I squirt some out on my hand and show it to you guys, it's like a white creamy product, which basically you just kind of rub on your lips, and it I forgot to have like chapstick or lip gloss on. Whoopsies. Anyway, so basically you just rub this on your lips. It's supposed to like hydrate your lips and, condition it. It is a lip serum, so it does a really nice job doing that. Yeah, so I do recommend this. One thing I really don't like about it, to be honest, it works and it does really hydrate your lips, but the one thing I don't like about it is, it's not like those quick chapsticks, basically, where you can squeeze it out of the tube and just go like this. It has like a very slight perfumey smell to it, I feel like, but maybe that's just me, I don't know. So, but it does work, so can't complain about that. Alright, the next item I talked about, on another video, so if you haven't watched that, if I remember to, I'll put a link down below, or maybe an iCard, but it's the Lancome Visionary Youth Eye Cream. This basically is like dry skin, under eye brightening, primer, healer, just everything you can think of all in one, basically. So this is just, honestly, it's amazing, you guys. I would highly recommend it. It works. I know it is pricey, but this is like one of those products basically where you pay for what you get. It's tiny, but little goes a long way. It helps with the under eye if you have dry skin, if it's scaly. It works as a nice primer. Yeah, it's just all around a very good product. This is also a little pump, so if you are looking for a nice under eye cream, get this bad boy. The last product I wanted to share with you guys is by NARS, and I picked this up because basically I wanted to find a nice creamy concealer that is not drying. So one of the products, or one of the concealers I picked up earlier, I guess like before, earlier before, whatever, is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I have like phoenix hair in my face. Alright, so it's the Tarte Shape Tape, and while everyone raves about the Shape Tape, and yes, it is an amazing product, I still use it, but the formula is also very drying. So if you don't wear a nice hydrating, moisturizing primer, which this is definitely where it comes into play, if you don't wear that, then putting on the Shape Tape is just going to dry your skin out. And me already having really dry skin, it's yeah, it's like a no-no. So I still use the Shape Tape, but I did want to pick up a nice creamy, more hydrating concealer, so picked up the NARS. This is what it looks like. Now the shade that I got for me is medium 1.5 macadamia, and I could pick up a lighter shade, but I wanted to pick up a shade more close to my skin tone, because a lot of the times when I go to work, I don't put on foundation, but I do put on concealer. So I wanted to like kind of make the concealer match my skin tone a little more, if that makes sense. So yeah, so it still does brighten, but not like crazy. So this is nice and creamy. It's radiant. It works well with my dry skin, and yeah, so a nice product to pick up if you are in the market for looking for a concealer. Oops. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright, so if you like this style of video, please comment down below, let me know. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click subscribe. Follow me on my social platform, and that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!